Hey guys, I'm back again. Little quick update. I didn't even start in the backyard yet, but we did want to try to grow some tomatoes. We have some. My wife was wanting to throw in the compost bin, so I went ahead and we're gonna try to grow them. So, real quick, I went ahead to compost like I did with my peppers, and this was all overgrown. See how it is right here? These are from the sweet potatoes that sprouted. Went through here, dug some out. As you see, I threw the tomatoes in there already. Started digging some out to get some compost from the bottom. And I thought the sweet potatoes were dead because we have a rabbit that comes through here every day, sometimes several times a day. I know my dog, she ends up, I guess the rabbit lives in there. He's been eating all the food because I had seen, oh gosh, three or four of the sweet potatoes we threw away. They were rotten. They were starting to rot. Well, I threw them in there. My wife threw them in there. I'm like, what the heck? Let's just see. Actually, I just thought they were going to compost, but it took off. They overgrew, and actually, I gave the chickens. There's most of the vines and everything from the potatoes that they were sprouting. The chickens have that. And keep in mind, they're sweet potatoes, so I didn't know that they worked. I just dug them up because I just want to compost. Because what we're doing, I've already got them planted already. If you look here, you don't think you can see them. Doing the same method I did with peppers. I'm doing it here. Nope, can't see it. This is just straight compost. Look, literally just put it in there right now. Yeah, I got them buried. There's, oh, there you go. You can see a little bit of it. Tomato. So I got one slice in each one. That has a lot of seeds in it. So anyways, I done my compost to get the compost for this to grow my tomatoes. Or to try to grow tomatoes. And in turn, this is what we found from the other tomatoes that I thought were bad. There's probably more, but I don't know. There's quite a bit here, and this is all by accident. They just were under there. We weren't trying to grow them. We weren't. I just dug them up and they were there. So I'm excited. I'm happy that my basic compost mix is working. It's working really well because I didn't think that would even work. But apparently, this was the first test of tomatoes. These sweet peppers are growing. And then this is the second test. Actually, no, sorry. This is the second test that I didn't even know about. This is the next test here, tomatoes. I know it's the wrong time of season because it's September, but hey, I'm gonna see if it'll work. If it'll grow, if I can get some. If not, no big deal. Like I said, trial and error, just learning what to do. Anyways, just want to show you I'm kind of happy. Show my little bounty I got for my potatoes. Like, they're small. They're not really that big. So they're like, I don't even think they're edible. I mean, let me know in the comments if they're edible. I don't think I'm going to do it, but I'm going to look it up first. Maybe, possibly. We'll see. Maybe I'll just replant those again and see what happens. Anyways, until next time, guys. If you guys can, help me out. Like, comment, subscribe. Help me out. Give my channel a boost up more. I can try to get more content out for you guys. Alright guys, have a good night, and I'll see you in a few days on the next one. See you guys. Bye.